Insurance is a key part of your monthly budget, covering your car, your home, even your life.
Some states, including Pennsylvania, want to ban a common practice among insurers that can drive up our rates. NBC10 Responds' Valeria Aponte-Feliciano is in the studio here with us to explain the pros and the cons. Valeria.
Jackie and Fred, pending legislation would stop so-called credit-based insurance scores. Insurers use them to predict how likely you are to file a claim.
It's not about punishment, it's about predicting risk fairly.
Research shows a low credit-based insurance score can result in higher premiums. This past March, NerdWallet found drivers with poor credit pay about 69% more than people with good credit. In some cases, poor credit can impact your rate more than a DUI. Now, Pennsylvania lawmakers want to prevent practices like that with House Bill 657. State Representative Christine Howard of Chester County is sponsoring the bill, which would ban insurers from using credit scores to set prices or decide coverage.
We've seen more in the last probably 8 to 10 years where the credit score has become a larger part of the conversation.
NBC10 Responds spoke to Christopher Grandy, the president of the National Association of Insurance and Financial Advisors. He tells us there are pros and cons to banning so-called credit-based insurance score.
Takes one factor out of the equation. So that could potentially be good. You could potentially get a rate that potentially you didn't qualify for.
But he says bans like this can also shift costs.
We started to see the insurance premiums on all the products start to creep up to offset the pool of risk and the revenue of payback of some of those other locations.
Now, the bill has not passed the Pennsylvania House yet and would still need Senate approval. In the meantime, Grandy says there are ways to save. Review your policies at least twice a year to make sure they still fit your needs. Don't just set it and forget it. You should also shop around and compare quotes. And if life throws you a curveball and you can't make payments, you can ask your insurer about re-underwriting options. If you have a consumer problem, scan the QR code on your screen for direct access to our NBC10 Responds complaint form. You can also find it on the free NBC10 app, or guys, just give us a call. For NBC10 Responds, I'm Valeria Aponte-Feliciano.